Your decrees have been the theme of my songs wherever I've lived. I reflect at night on who you are, O Lord. Therefore, I obey your instructions. Amen. Enough, I did definitely go in again, and it's on a low heat, so I wasn't afraid of any heat damage, so that was great. So once that section was done, I pretty much just put it in a twist and then left it to chill, and I did that all over my head up until the last section, and I'm just showing you how I did that. And again, I did the same exact thing, same exact products, same exact method. So I blew my hair out, and then the next day you'll see me taking down these twists. So I slept in these twists, and then these are the sections I'm actually going to be using to blow out my hair. And to blow out my hair, I'm pretty much going to unravel the twists, comb my hair out again, and then apply some more of that heat protecting styling serum. And working in about 3-ish sections per twist, I'm going to just go in, making sure I wear my heat protecting glove and comb my hair away from my face. And once I've done that, I'm going to hold my hair for about 10 more seconds. So I curled it for 10 seconds, I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds, then spray some hairspray and then hold it for another 10 seconds. So I pretty much did that for the entirety of my head. I curled my hair for 10 seconds, then I held it for 10 seconds whilst applying some hairspray, and that really allowed my hair to really last, because then every single section was coated in hairspray, and it just allowed me to wear my hair for, I think I wore my hair for about a week, and it still looked pretty darn amazing. And I'll show you how my hair looks also on day 3 at the very end. So I pretty much did this all over my hair, repeating the same exact method, applying more of that styling serum / heat protectant, combing my hair through, making sure I'm curling my hair away from my face. I did that for 10 seconds, then holding that curl to make sure that it resets with some hairspray. And I did that over and over and over and over again until I did the entirety of my hair. I think I pretty much did somewhat small sections, I wouldn't say medium, I did quite small sections because I wanted it to last. And when I got to the front of my head, what I did was make sure that my edges were quite flat. So you'll see me using the curling iron, somewhat like a straightening iron, just to kind of make sure that my edges around the hair that frames my face basically gets as straight as possible. So I would just get the curling iron and just run that by my edges to make sure that they were nice and smooth, because that was the look that I was going for. And this is the first real time I've applied a lot of heat since 2017, and my hair was completely fine after. I didn't suffer any heat damage. You'll see that in my next video also. But that is pretty much it. Excuse my husband, he tried to annoy me, But as I got to the front section, what I did was I took out all the twists and put in that heat protector and combed it out, and I tried to find my part. So I wanted a middle part, because I thought I wanted a middle part, and I just made sure that that was nice and straight before I then went in and curled the rest. So I continued obviously trying to smooth out the very front sections with a hair curler, and then just continued as normal, doing the same exact method I did elsewhere, but now I have a part, and I continue to work in sections, curling my hair away from my face. And those are my results. So this is how my hair looked before I started separating it gently. So I didn't separate it too much because I didn't want it to get too frizzy, because I wanted my hair to last. So I just gently separated kind of where the curls would naturally fall, and over the days the curls themselves did drop and they became a lot more like some luscious waves, so I was really pleased with that. So this is how I pretty much wore my hair for my birthday. And at the very end, please ignore my husband, at the very end I just sprayed some Got To Be all over my hair, like literally all over, to give it that extra hold, because this hairspray is super strong hold. And that's pretty much it. And I couldn't really decide on whether I wanted a middle part or a side part, but I settled for a middle part because that's what I planned. But what would you have picked, middle or side part? But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed, and make sure you tune into my other videos if you want to learn how I grow my hair so thick and long.